go after what you want. Don't sit back and wait for things to happen to you. If an opportunity comes up, seize the day. Go after it. I am Director of Engineering for Mastercraft Boats.
That's great. Tell us, Erica, what do you do in that role?
So I lead a team of new product development engineers, designers, and we're responsible for the entire boat, bow to stern. Everything from new product development of a brand new model, so developing new features inside of a new model, or model year features, so it could be something like a stern thruster or a different type of lighting, anything that could be added to something that could come up in a model year as opposed to an entirely new model release.
Erica, so do new advancements in the boats, new features, do they come in from customer input? Do they come in from sales and marketing surveys? Do they come in from engineering advances? What drives that kind of innovation?
So innovation on our boats is driven by not only sales and marketing feedback. A lot of their feedback could come from dealer, consumer, and we'll kind of filter it down and use the useful nuggets. But you're correct, we also use things like engineering advances. As technology gets cheaper, as screens get more enhanced, cameras get easier to use and integrate. So we'll pull from technology, the sales and marketing feedback, and just internal feedback from within our engineering organization as well.
Erica, how often do you get out of the office? Is your job an office job, or do you actually get out on the boats?
So I don't get on boats as often as I would like. I'm a longtime boater. I love being on the water. But there are days when I get to go assist with new software development or testing. New models, we'll go out and test the wake and wave. So I'd say a couple times a month I'll spend a few days out on the water.
And what is the favorite part of your job, would you say?
I love people and I love our product. So the interaction between the two, seeing new engineers get excited about new models or a new feature, or just seeing their fingerprints on a new model. I get excited to see how the young designers interact with some of the older, more seasoned designers, and just seeing everybody have fun out there on the water. So I love the interaction between our badass boats and the engineers that make it happen.
And how many are on your team?
My whole umbrella is about 30 people, so it's quite large.
And now, what is the least liked part of your job?
The being in the office. The not being on the water is...
Good answer. Good answer. And what kind of background do you have to achieve this role of lead engineer?
So my degree is in mechanical engineering, many moons back, local university, Tennessee Tech University. But I spent a lot of time in not just design. I've spent a lot of time in manufacturing, quality, a chief engineer for new products, for electronics, that sort of thing for many years. And just having a strong background in loving boats. I think that's really made me who I am today. Just being around a lot of people, a lot of different age groups over the years has really helped me kind of hone in on taking the best of what everybody has and trying to make a well-rounded team.
Erica, it's National Women's Day. Is there anything you'd like to share with your fellow women regarding engineering, boats, the workplace, or any topic at all?
Regarding women in the workplace, being a woman has not hindered me from where I am today, but I feel like I've always been very independent, and I think that helps build a natural leader. My biggest piece of advice is to not be afraid to go after what you want. Don't sit back and wait for things to happen to you. If an opportunity comes up, seize the day. Go after it. All you can do is get experience interviewing or going after what you want. The other piece about boating is I have owned all of our competitors' boats in the past. I won't name the names because they're all local to us, but when I first got my Mastercraft, I knew I had made it. Mastercraft truly is the best product out there.